Laundry day is the worst and I'm sure it's gonna take my whole day. What happened? Why do you look so frustrated? Yeah, laundry is not my cup of tea. Plus, I've already spilled some tea on my clothes and it's gonna take long hours to wash them and dry them. And I have other things to do as well. Why hours? Just put all your clothes in the LG washer dryer and relax. But I still need to go outside to dry them, and going outside is a big hassle. No, let me tell you a new way of washing and drying your clothes. Meet the LG washer dryer, the all-in-one solution designed to make laundry a breeze. With its bigger capacity and powerful performance, it's the perfect addition to any modern home. The LG washer dryer isn't just convenient, it's your key to laundry perfection. Every load, every time delivers exceptional results. With a large capacity, you can wash and dry more clothes in one go, saving both time and energy. One of its standout features is the AI direct drive technology. The smart technology automatically detects the fabric type and fabric weight and chooses the optimum wash cycle to ensure your clothes get the optimal care they deserve. From delicate fabrics to heavy-duty loads, the AIDD adapts to give you ultra-clean clothes while protecting your fabric. Press for time? No problem. With TurboWash, you can have a thorough, gentle wash in just 39 minutes. 4 multi-nozzles ensures your clothes are fully clean even in a rush. No more measuring detergent with every load. The Ease Dispense feature automatically dispenses the right amount of detergent for up to 35 loads, taking the guesswork out of laundry and ensuring optimal cleaning performance. And with LG ThinQ, convenience is taken to a whole new level. Whether you are at home or on the go, you can control laundry remotely. Start, stop or schedule cycles and even download additional watch programs tailored to your specific needs, all from the palm of your hand. For those with sensitive skin or allergies, the steam cycles on selected models help reduce allergens and bacteria, giving you hygienic clothes in every wash. LG offers a wide range of washer-dryer models to suit every household, offering different capacities of washer-dryers to consumers. The biggest capacity model of LG washer-dryer is 21 by 12 kg, wherein 21 kg is washer and 12 kg is dryer, and the compact one is 9 by 5 kg. And today, we have the 15 by 8 kg one with us. The LG 15 by 8 kg washer-dryer black stainless steel color offers a spacious 15 kg wash capacity and 8 kg of drying capacity, making it perfect for larger wash loads. This model is packed with advanced features including AI direct drive technology that intelligently adjusts wash cycles for optimal fabric care. The steam function helps to eliminate allergens, while the Steam Plus feature keeps your clothes hygienic and wrinkle-free. Plus, with ThinQ Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your laundry from anywhere, making it as smart as it is stylish. Bad weather and different seasons bothers everyone way too much, and in between all the household chores, we have all made quick runs to keep our clothes dry, hygienic and fresh. Not anymore. This LG washer dryer is the solution to my and all of our problems. This LG washer dryer is not just super easy to operate, it's better at cleaning your clothes, best at drying your clothes, so spacious that it manages every load, and all in all, super efficient for every household, making it the most convenient washer and dryer you have ever seen. Imagine never having to move clothes from the washer to dry them outside. With LG's all-in-one washer dryer, you can wash and dry in one seamless process. It's perfect for busy families or anyone who wants to streamline their laundry routine. Upgrade your laundry experience today with LG's innovative washer dryer range. Efficient, smart, and effortless. Everything you need for the perfect laundry results every time, making it the new way of washing and drying.